Have you noticed how AI is already taking over one industry after another? How jobs are already being lost due to automation? And how new AI apps and new AI tools are being launched every single day? So, to help you keep up and to adapt to this new AI reality, and to also to outsmart your competitors with AI videos, I decided to give you all of these AI trainings and templates and AI courses and AI tools that you can find in this bundle at a 98.29% discount during the holidays. Szilárd here from bluefx.net. So, how do you come up with a clever way to make a pitch when you're giving away $17,398 worth of AI trainings, AI courses, templates, and AI tools at the 98.29% discount? And the answer to that question is that you just follow a very simple 3-step framework. Here's what I got, here's how it's gonna help you, and here's what to do next, okay? So, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through all of the AI stuff that you see on this page because it's really cool and I know that it's a lot. And if I heard that, I would be also wondering, okay, fine, but I have no technical skills. Will I still be able to use all of this AI stuff if I have no tech skills? And the answer to that is also yes. I made sure that this entire AI bundle is super easy to use for total beginners and also pros. Now, everything in this AI bundle is designed for simplicity, so all of the heavy lifting is being done by AI. And I'll just show you how to use AI in a very simple way. Sounds cool? Perfect. So, if you want this, by all means go ahead and grab it right now. So without further ado, let me show you all the cool stuff that you're gonna get. So the first thing that we're including in this training, in this bundle, is a training that I've created and that's not available anywhere to the public at all. So it's called the Faceless AI Video Workshop and is for people who may never tried AI before. So it's advanced, but it's simple. So even if you've never made a video in your life, you'll be able to follow along. Okay, now you can see a couple of shots here, what we're gonna do. And basically the goal here is that if you want your videos to be seen by millions of people, even without showing your face, this is for you. And the only people who have ever seen this live, they had to pay $997 since this was part of a 6-week workshop for video marketers. But you're getting access to all of this as part of this AI bundle. Now you're also getting the Video Reels Autopilot system. Now this is a proven framework that I use to provide social media services for $10,000 per month clients. Now I'll show you how AI can analyze your videos, how it can repurpose your best moments into Reels, and also add cool subtitles and even graphics. And I'll show you how AI will share your content across all social media channels, and this way you get traffic from all channels and save a lot of time. Now this framework is not publicly available and you can get it for free in this bundle. Next, you get my Realistic AI Host and Virtual Studio bundle. You'll discover how to create realistic AI video hosts so you don't need to hire expensive actors for your presentations. Plus, you'll get 11 virtual studios that would cost you $1,410 if you'd have to purchase them from my website. Now, these studios will give your videos a high-end look, and it will make your AI spokesperson feel much more credible. So if you're just looking to get more authority with your videos, start here. You're gonna absolutely love this bundle. Now, the next bonus that you're gonna get is called the AI Traffic Accelerator. Now, if you want to absolutely blow up your YouTube channel and get insane amounts of views, subscribers, and also traffic, then this is for you. And I'll show you how AI can help you study your competitors for you and find the most viral video ideas in your niche. And this way you can reverse engineer exactly what type of videos work right now on YouTube, so you always know what videos to create. Now we also discover how AI will give you the perfect video titles, and this way you'll be easily ranked in the search results. Now in this training, you'll also learn the real ways to get free traffic from YouTube, so your YouTube videos get more clients for your business. Now this course alone is easily worth $799 and it's not available to the public right now, but you're getting it free with this AI bundle. Next, you get my Magic AI Thumbnail Maker. Now, since the thumbnail of a YouTube video is the first thing that people see, it's crucial that this thumbnail grabs attention. Now, up until now, you had to painstakingly design these thumbnails yourself or pay designers hundreds of dollars and then wait just to make them, okay? Now, with the Magic AI Thumbnail Maker, you only need to give it the title of your video and it will create eye-catching thumbnails for you. It knows exactly what images to create since it's leveraging ChatGPT's technology, so it kind of knows everything, right? So it's worth at least $997. However, the Magic AI thumbnail maker has never been sold to the public and it's not available at any price. However, in this bundle offer, you get lifetime access to it. Now, this next tool is a total game changer and it's called the AI Script Architect for YouTube. It's powered by ChatGPT and it instantly creates custom YouTube video scripts. And we're talking here about perfect hooks, stories, transitions, all tailored to your niche and to your audience. It's basically like having a personal scriptwriter who knows exactly what your audience wants to hear about on YouTube. So with this, you get unlimited video ideas and video scripts optimized for your niche without any headaches. And it's easily worth $497. However, it has never been offered to the public before at any price. And yes, this is also included for free in this exclusive bundle. So you can get this also when you invest in this bundle. Now, the next bonus that you're gonna get is called the AI Video Editing Special Effects Secrets. It shows you how AI tools are making videos from an image. And it even shows you how you could remove objects from a video. So for example, if you want to remove this man here, boom, just click on him and it will remove it from the video. So this is crazy. And if you have low resolution videos, it can clean the resolution up, basically enhancing the resolution. So full HD video becomes a 4K video, which is absolutely crazy. I just love this technology. Basically, this one is just like making magic. If you want to create videos, you don't want to miss this out. Okay, it's not available for sale anywhere else. It's only available in this special bundle. Now, the next product that we will get is called the AI Sound Design Bundle. I'll give you my framework for generating realistic AI voiceovers, so you don't have to pay for narrators, and we even include a 300 sound effects bundle as well as a 62 royalty-free cinematic music track bundle. And you'll even get my method for creating entire music tracks with AI, and it creates the beats, the vocals with a single click. And yes, it's all done with AI, and yes, I have an example here. You can play this song and you'll see what type of music and what type of vocals this can create. The value of the AI Sound Design Bundle is $997, but you get it for free in this amazing bundle offer. Next, you're gonna get the Whiteboard Explainer Bundle and the new AI Character Genie. Now, this has 439 cool hand-drawn sketches that will explain anything. And basically, it makes it super easy for people to keep watching your videos. And this animation bundle normally costs $439. But you get it here for free. And exclusive to this offer only, you're also gonna get the AI Character Genie. This is a special AI tool that makes custom characters for your videos instantly. So basically, you just type what you want and the AI makes it for you. If you need a smart doctor or a cool robot, no problem, the AI will create it for you. Now, the AI Character Genie is not sold anywhere else and it's available only in this bundle offer. So what's next? Now, if you want to make awesome logos and intro videos, this bundle makes this easy. And first, you're gonna get the AI logo generator. And basically, you just tell it what your business is about and it will create a unique logo for it. Now, we don't sell this AI generator anywhere else, okay? Now, after you have your logo, then you just bring your logo to life with the logo animation template bundle. And this one has 56 cool video intros that will animate your logo. All you gotta do is just drop in this new logo and it will create and render amazing intro videos for you. Now, the logo animation bundle normally costs $598, but you get it free in this exclusive offer. Now, the next one is super important. It's called the AI Image Generation Mastery. And if you want amazing images for your social media posts that get a lot of views and clicks, then this course will show you how to make these images with AI. It covers the top tools like Midjourney, Leonardo, DALL-E, and many others. And you'll learn how to create realistic photos, banners, and graphics. Now, the course also shows you how to craft images of people that look completely real. It will be really hard to tell if they are made with a camera or they are made with AI. So forget paying designers or using stock images. From here on, AI will create exactly the images that you want in your business in a couple of seconds. Now, the course normally costs $497, but you get it free in this bundle. Next, you get my AI product presenter. Now, this gives you the easy way to create product photos. Now, this is a special prompt pack that lets you make product images instantly without having to pay expensive photo shoots. So basically, it puts your products into a perfect scene with great models, and all are custom made for you. Now, you can test a lot of images to see what sells best with this, and it's super fast and super easy. Now, the AI product presenter is valued at $497, but you get it free in this bundle offer. Next, you get the ChatGPT Basics and Beyond course. ChatGPT right now is the most popular AI app with over 180 million users across the globe, so you don't want to miss this. Now with this course, you'll discover how to make ChatGPT write emails that get clicks, articles, and very engaging product descriptions that sell. And with the proper settings, it can write for you like a master copywriter. Now, the ChatGPT Basics and Beyond normally sells for $497, but you're getting it 100% free in this exclusive bundle. Now, the next bonus is really cool. It's called the 1000 GPT Prompts Vault for content creators. So basically, you don't need to stare at a blank page. All you got to do is just feed these prompts into ChatGPT, and it will produce unique content for you. It will create blog posts, social media posts, videos, and you name it, because all of these prompts are already built for you. Next, you get the magic sales video formula and also its AI generator. So if you want to boost your sales with videos, this bundle makes it easy. You always know exactly how to start your sales videos so that it actually makes sales. So you can just follow this formula so you can produce sales videos also without being pushy, but at the same time making sure that you get that sale. And what's really special in this package is that you get an AI tool that is trained on this script, on this framework. So basically, it writes the scripts for you, even if you don't have time to go through the entire training. Now, the training and the AI generator normally costs $1,997, but you get it free in this bundle. Next, you get my freelance clients for free training. Now, if you want to start earning money with your creative skills, but you don't know where to find clients, this training is for you. Basically, it reveals a simple method for getting freelance clients without spending any money on advertising. You learn insider tips to connect directly with clients who will pay premium rates for your services. Now, whether you want to offer AI writing, graphics, video production, or any type of creative service, this course has you covered. Normally $597, the freelance clients for free training is included for free in this limited time bundle. Next, you're gonna get my overnight portfolio protocol, which helps you create your own portfolio, even if you're brand new, even if you don't have that much work. And it will show you also how to negotiate prices, but at the same time, how you can make sure that you maintain your clients happy. Now, what's really special about this is that we're gonna give you a portfolio website. So that is a portfolio website that is already built out. So you just insert your videos or graphics or any type of service that you sell in it, and bam, you have your own portfolio. That's simple. Now, this is valued at $597, but you get it for free in this bundle offer. Next, you're gonna get my favorite method to generate leads. It's called the AI Lead Machine Blueprint, and you'll discover how to get leads for your business and turn them into customers fast. Now, with this, we're going to be using AI outreach automations and AI lead generation methods. You'll basically discover how you can stop struggling to find clients and how AI can do the selling for you. Our students paid $1,997 to attend the AI Lead Machine training, when it was held live. But now it's not available anywhere else. It's only available in this exclusive bundle offer. So basically, this is your only chance to get the proven blueprint to generate leads and win clients with the use of AI automation. Now, this next guide shares the strategies from a Facebook ad expert who spends over $800,000 per month and uses ChatGPT to simplify this process. Now, it breaks down how he builds his successful ad campaigns, how you can also find the best performing ad creatives, and how you can create irresistible landing pages that convert and make lots of sales. Now, he's doing all of this with the use of AI technology, and you'll get full access to this in this bundle. Now, its value is $1,997, and it's not available anywhere else, just in this bundle offer. Now, the next bonus that you're gonna get is called the AI Affiliate Fast Track, and it reveals how to earn passive income with AI-powered affiliate marketing methods. And in this blueprint, you'll discover techniques to find winning niches, and how to create converting content for these niches. Affiliate marketing becomes so much easier and so much more profitable when you have this AI training. And by the way, you'll also become eligible for a whopping 50% commission on all the products that we release. Now, usually this costs $597. However, it's free and it's included in this bundle offer. So congratulations, you made it. It was quite a long video, but I really wanted to walk you through all of this to really feel the value and understand this ridiculous discount. Now, of course, I can't foretell the future, but because this is so inexpensive, it's hard for me to imagine that if you're using even just a small fraction of what you're getting in this bundle, that you won't see significant returns on your investment that you're making today. And that's very important to me. And that's very important that you get a significant return on your investment. And really, I want you to enjoy this. I want you to have fun, because I think making videos is kind of hard and it shouldn't be hard. And I think making videos should be fun, right? It should be joy, and it can be a joy if you know how to use AI to do all the heavy lifting for you. So basically, this can be fun, and it can also get you traffic, it can also get you sales, and it can also simply make you more money. So that's my goal in giving you all of these AI trainings and templates and AI tools at this incredible discount. First off, I'm giving all of this away because I want to help you master AI, and especially master AI videos before your competition does this. And secondly, I think that you'll get great results from this. And when I come out with a new product, you'll probably feel like, this guy's stuff is really good and I'm going to go for it, okay? So that's it, that's all. The only catch is, as I said earlier, is that this is a time-limited offer, and once the holidays are over, I'm gonna remove this page forever. So if you want a great bargain on a lot of really good AI trainings and AI tools and templates, then go ahead and take me up on this. You see a button somewhere here on this page, right? Hit that button, enter your details, and we'll instantly hook you up with the lifetime access to the full AI bundle. Now, your access will never expire, and you get access to it for as long as the internet exists, okay? And you'll be able to use this from any type of device, whether you're on a computer, a phone, an iPad, or whatever, okay? As long as you get access to the internet, you're gonna get access to this forever. So thank you so much for being a customer, for being a subscriber, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.